greetings, you guys. You watching Lizzy's TV, and of course, you know I am Lizzy. So today we're coming to you with another video. It is an unboxing video, and the items comes from iTech deals. So I got my little box here. I'm sorry, you guys. I had a camera technical difficulty because I tried to use my camera and I had to switch over. So now I'm using my phone. So we did open it. I haven't really went into the box. So here we go. This is our box. And inside the box, we're going to start with, first of all, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get the upcoming videos. Take out our brown paper here. And I'm going to put my glasses on, y'all know, because I need these so I can see. So the first thing we got coming out, oh yeah, I like that. D-Link, connected to your home. My D-Link Wi-Fi smart plug. All right, so I definitely can't wait to see how that works. It's supposed to turn devices on and off. You know, there's a mobile app you can use with it, so we'll see how that works. And I think that's cool. The next one is by Encase USB Cable Kit 4. So I got 3 cables in here. They got their lightning cable. You can connect them to the USB, micro USB, or a DEC connector. So that's what we got going on here. Oh yeah, universal mobile charger. This is something I really need. I'm definitely going to use that. And it's nice because it's black, so that's cool. So if your battery is dead, and make sure you got this charged up, and you can take it anywhere you want to. You can put it in your purse, ladies, men, you can just carry it in your pocket. So it works both ways. So that's black, nice. Got a gray backing to it, that's nice. Then it has your cable cord, which is cool. You see that? Cable cord. That's cool. All right, light post. We got some earbuds here. Cable illuminates to the beat of the music. All right. So we're gonna see how that works. That's nice too. I really like that color. So looks like it's what, orange? Yeah, that's orange. So there we go. And then we have the light post ambient light visual charging cord, which is cool. I like that. It even shows on the back of it where the cord actually light up. And let's open this up. Let's open this one up too. I kind of want to see that. Oh, it's taped. So let's see how that work out. I don't know, I'm tripping. We gotta get the tape. They're still oh, now you want to give me a hard time to get in the box. So I'm about to tear it up, y'all. I just want to see what it looks like, so I don't really care. Okay, that's neat. And nice and green. So I guess the lights, it'll light up all through here. There. So that's cool. Last but not least, we got some bubble wrap. And, oh wow. This is cool. Cook Up, a fresh start, $50 gift card. All right. Now that's nice, like that. By Hello Fresh. Thank you, Hello Fresh. And then I have a wine voucher, $100 wine voucher. I'm gonna get some wine off here, and then we're gonna do a wine tasting for y'all. How about that? So that's cool. So you guys, that's the end of my unboxing from iTech deals. This box was only like $20. I got well over $100 worth of stuff. And with the gift cards alone was $150 by itself, including all of the other merchandise that came with it. So I'm very satisfied with this deal right here. And we will be coming to you with another one. You guys don't forget, we reached on March 27th we reached our 200 subscribers. So what that means is there is a giveaway coming for you guys. Stay tuned to the videos and you will definitely see that giveaway video coming up soon. I would say within the next couple of days or so. So you just stay tuned for that. And like I said, don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that bell. And stay tuned because you just might be one of those winners for that giveaway. So you all have a good evening, good night, blessed weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.